So, hey guys, welcome back. And today I am going to be doing a mail time. Alright, and whoever I choose will be a winner of one wishlist gift. Alright, so let's start this. Hello? God, jeez. Annoying. Alright. So let's start this without any more interruptions. So let's open this first gift. Oh, I got these shoes once again. Well, geez, chill the heck out. Anyway, without any more interruptions. Whoa. Alright, that doesn't even look bad. Oh god. Alright, so anyway. What's her gift? Oh, here it is. Well, well, good grief. Ay, ay, ay. I think I might have to go on hide. Bruh, it's fine. Hold on. Okay, so let's continue. What is that here? Oh god. I think I might give that away soon. The heck is this guy's problem? Anyway. Alright, so these are all pretty good gifts. What? Hmm. Oh, nice. This isn't even so bad right now. Look up the years right there. Wait, what is this? What even is that? Oh god. Give Shrimpage here. What? Okay. This will change really quick. Is this just hairs, really? Oh god. Oh my god, it looks so scary. What even is this? Boy, I'd rather go for the black one. Sheesh. This is just scary. Anyway, let's continue. If these gifts load, look at that tiny crown on me. He's like, I'm just a tiny little crown. I don't have no life. Oh god. Oh god. That just changed quick. Oh, nice. Hurry. Don't have all day. Oh, it's nice. Oh lord, look at it on me though. Man, look at the year, people. Sheesh. Well, alright. Oh wow, this actually matches just a bit though. I'm on hide. Ha ha ha. Alright. Alright. Oh, nice. Alright, that time it saved. Let's see what else. Oh god, the hair does not even show. Because of this big bow. Thanks to whoever sent me that autograph. Please change. Oh, thank God, it's smaller though. Please. Yes, it finally changed the bow on me. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. This isn't bad now. Alright, let's continue. Oh, wow. Nice. But God, how many gifts did she send? Oh, God. Alright, this isn't bad. Oh, God, I'm running out of time. So, yeah, I'm just gonna try and go through all of these as quick as I can because I only have like 2 more minutes left to record. So, and yeah, let's go through with all of this. And okay, so that's what I ended up with. Alright. So, shout out to Snow White 26 Loud. Shout out to also Wolfie XX, the Spicy Radish 17, I think. Yep. I'll just record the shoutouts in the next part. So, yeah.